Let's take a look at the SentrySafe SFW123GDC. I'm going to show you how the keypad works, the inside measurements, and the features. I'm going to show you an unexpected surprise feature on the inside, and I'm going to explain this key right here, how it functions different than you expect. When you first get your safe, you have to put batteries in it to open it the first time. This panel pops right out. You stick 4 AAAs in, stick it back in. When you get your safe, the code is going to be written on the back of the owner's manual, so that's where you need to look for that 5-digit code. Lights up green and it's open. Let me show you what happens if you get it wrong. Red light. But if you get it right, it'll open. There we go. Now let's take a look inside. Here in the door, we've got a few neat features. We have these hooks here that you could hang keys on, and we have this nice deep pocket if you want to stick things like passports or whatever down inside of there. Here in the inside, we've got a really big cavity. Let's see how big. I'm only going to measure to about right here because the door is going to take up that space. It's about 11.5 inches deep, 12 inches wide, and a little over 13 inches tall. That's a lot of space. You may be wondering about this. Because this is the GDC model, it comes with a drawer. By the way, the GTC model comes with a tray. This drawer has its own lock. This is great for storing extra things that you might want to be a little extra secure with a double lock. Maybe some family members can have access to the overall safe, but not to this special compartment. That's where the double lock comes in. Also, you can move this up and down and put it wherever you want. Now let's lock it in place. Now this won't come out, and it won't open. Pretty cool. This is a really heavy-duty safe. It weighs about 86 pounds, which would be pretty hard for someone to carry off if they were to try to take it. But it also comes with mounting bolts in case you want to secure it to the floor or the wall for some extra security. Now these keys also came inside. This is where things get tricky with this keypad. You can only unlock the safe with the electronic keypad, not with these keys. But the keys do serve a purpose. They're an extra double lock. Suppose temporarily you don't want anyone getting into this safe, even the people who know the code. That's where these keys come into play. Okay, I've just double locked the safe, and now let's see if my passcode works. Okay. But it doesn't open. I got the code right, but it doesn't open because I have it double locked. So let's release that lock and try again. And now it opens. Pretty cool, right? But remember, you cannot open it with just the key. See, this isn't a regular key. It's an extra double lock for double security over top of the key code. And to shut the safe again, you just close it, pull the lever up, and you're good to go. Now I'm going to show you an extra special hidden feature you probably didn't notice, and for that, I need to turn out the lights. Now what do you do if there's a power outage or emergency and you need to get into your safe and you don't have the lights in the room? Check this out. The safe has a light inside. Right here in the door, there's 2 little lights that will shine right inside for you. They operate on the battery power of the batteries that you put on the outside. The lights turn off after about 30 seconds, but you can make them come on again by punching a code in. And there you go. That's the SentrySafe SFW123GDC. Thanks.